Assalamualaikum kids, how are you today? I will learn the kids poem. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. So let's start it. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush it every day. Brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister. Father, mother, brother, sister. Brush it every day. Brush it every day. Wash, wash, wash your face. Wash, wash, wash your face. Wash it every day. Wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister. Father, mother, brother, sister. Wash it every day. Wash it every day. Comb, comb, comb your hair. Comb, comb, comb your hair. Comb it every day. Comb it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister. Father, mother, brother, sister. Comb it every day. Comb it every day. Drink, drink, drink your milk. Drink, drink, drink milk. Drink it every day. Drink it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister. Father, mother, brother, sister. Drink it every day. Drink it every day. So please subscribe my channel and like the videos.